Country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Double K fans don't finally choose who they go vote for since the umpiring wey happen few hours ago, and also fans don't come out to come laugh when ex handy their fans give them better woto after the live eviction show today and how the results take turn out. So today they do the live eviction show, and today the results shock people well because since this week start, from wetin we know to say they nominate 4 pairs, and the 4 pairs wey be say they nominate na Aces, which comprise of Surge and Topher, Wani X Handy, which comprises of Wani and her sister Handy, Double K, the married couple, which comprise of Kelly Ray and Cassia, and lastly the Radicals, which comprise of Mickey and Femi. So e come turn out say na one eviction na dey carry out today, and na the Radicals na dey come evict. Fans don dey anticipate the bottom 3 for so long. When the ex-handy fans, they not allow people hear word for street. They talk say na they might be the winner and all of that. Surprisingly, we see bottom 3 when the ex-handy dey for bottom 3. Come turn out say na the Double K, the married couple, where we say their fans not even disturb us online. They not they fight anybody, they not they insult anybody. Now they not come top the voting chart. Still we standing. Una remember to say for Big Brother Titan, Kanaga Jr. top Kosi Twala at some point. Later, Kosi na come win the show. So Double K fans, even though say they proud of una, I'm not sure say make una relax because anything can happen at any time. So today, Big Brother come unpair the housemates. According to Big Brother, it's like some of them come there to come eat and sleep, while their pair be the one to they carry them, they go further in the game. But everything don't end today. All of them must fight for the money individually. Big Brother don't tell us from the beginning of the show to say now only one winner they will bring right from time. So after the live eviction show and after the unpairing, Double K fans they come out to come conclude to say, see you, it go good make we check who we go actually vote for, because right now Cassia get her own fans and Kelly Ray get her own fans, but the Double K fans they come together to come conclude to say they go prefer to vote for Cassia. Why some of them say no? The reason why they say no, say they no fit vote for Cassia now because the truth be saying now Kelly Ray and carry Cassia come into the show. Now he really get the willing spirit to win the show. From what we don't watch so far, Cassia dey too soft and the girl too dey love. She don't lose guard many times, but her husband they call Kelly Ray, the guy dey very focused in the game. On the other hand, Cassia fans they say no, say in as much as Kelly they try best and they do some kind of thing. Say Cassia they more Cassia they relate more to the housemate than her husband, obviously they call Kelly Ray, and she did very creative. For me, if I say I won't choose between those two people, I will actually go for the man Kelly Ray, because the reason why we say fans give they very valid. Kelly Ray get that driving spirit to win the money more than Cassia. From what we know, how Cassia won't take cope for inside the house when Kelly Ray no dey there. Now so laugh she go they laugh. And also Kelly Ray handler, the guy dey very active and very good. I dey follow the two of them on social media, and I dey tell una for a fact, say you see Kelly Ray handler, that guy they need to buy a house for Iko if possible. He is so good, and even for both the Twitter, both Facebook, the guy is very active than Cassia handler. Cassia handler now only for Twitter now they active, and he not even dey that active. So I believe to say it go dey good if their fans really consider the guy, but then again, I know they their mind. So we will see some reaction after the argument wey happen between Double K, between Kelly Ray fans and Cassia fans. So this first person here calls say, Double K fans, seriously, so you all want to use emotions to play by choosing Cassia? Can't you see Kelly Ray has a stronger and bigger personality? What's all this feminist nonsense? At Kelly Ray, please look into this. Another one can say, Double K fans, don't fall for people shouting Cassia. They planned it in their group. Kelly can cope without Cassia in the house. Yes, so now the truth be that. But Cassia can't cope without Kelly. Kelly was the one who actually wanted to be here and not Cassia. Let's go with Kelly. This person talk exactly what it in my mind. Double K fans, una better choose wisely. So onto Wani X Handy matter, since they not win the thing, the way their fans they move funny for some time now. Anywhere where we say you go now, when the ex-handy fans, they disturb everybody for the internet, they insult people for comment sections, all those type of thing. People know they like them anymore. Let's just be honest. This year, they don't want any Raz winner. From what I don't see so far. That's why I like Handy. That's why I dey always mention that girl name, because she dey behave herself. She dey behave herself. Her sister now be the person where they rub off the bad luck for where that girl dey. She's behaving herself. But I know to say when it reach time for them to pick, their fans will definitely pick Wani. Because for BBN Street, now people every they give you something to talk about. Now people dey always like the most. So after their epic failure, where we say they fall under bottom tier, Checkers fans don't come out to come laugh them. Now those ones now funny pass. If this person here say Team Aces and Team One X Handy, welcome to bottom tier gang. Team Checkers, welcome you guys. You know, say Checkers when you can assist a choose but they don't laugh the entire since that time we say they enter bottom tier. So now when we say Aces and Team One X Handy don't enter bottom, now their turn to laugh them. This na how voters voted. One X Handy they get 32.15%, Aces get 17.73%, then the Radicals get 10.36%, which means to say double K their percent reach 39 point something percent. And also Nelly fans they attack Wani too. For the live eviction show today, Wani Ebuka asked Wani to say, Wani, why be say you and Sean, maybe say your boyfriend, they discuss another woman body? According to what two of they discuss, according to according to Sean they to say Surge no to say Nelly body, say they do surgery for the body. The nyash no be original nyash, no be follow come. So Wani come tell to say the nyash too safe, the waist, the hip side, they not construct the thing where the thing not they properly arranged. So when they go ask her, the girl own the thing with her full chest, say yes, I talk am, say the nyash they not arrange her way and all of that. So that thing converse Nelly Nellita fans, where we say they come they laugh out as Double K win them for this election, for the voting where we say they do this week. Nelly on the other hand, inside the house, she say she no wan address anything because she feel say the thing not they worth it. She herself, she dey wonder wetin bring up that conversation between Sean and a girlfriend Wani. The thing they very strange to me, say Sean, you there with your girlfriend, discuss another woman body, another woman nyash, and Wani, you know say anything where they wrong inside wetin that guy they talk or what? How that guy take brainwash Wani? So they say Wani not the thing straight anymore. She even made a statement this evening to say if they evict her and she sees Sean with another woman, she feel colo for her side. Like girl, you believe to say Sean they in love with you or what? So make we see some reaction over the gossip where we say Sean and Wani gossip concerning Wani and how fans take react to the matter. Person here say cho as if she's the only one in that house. Using your words for content, Wani, you are nobody. Some say Wani dey craze, she thinks she's the clout. Another one say content laugh at Toxicity won't win this year. Another one say Wani thinks she's all that. Every time they want to use her as content. Sit down, please. Wani attitude so far now make people just no one vote for her and her sister anymore, and have their fans too. They are so stubborn and so problematic. My own be say I just hope they not remove Handy, because now Handy now they help Wani respect herself for that house. That girl, if they remove Handy, una go see the real Wani. Gone. Una take care, una bye.